The principle is a simple one. We work better when we work together. So when we talk about collaborative innovation, what do we mean? Programmers have been answering this question now for 30 years, since the early days of the Linux revolution brought the best minds in tech together to solve problems, build the internet, and power our devices. They did not do it alone. That journey has taken the companies that harness these innovations to many places. From open source software that helps companies manage containers in production, to security systems that fully support open source technologies. After 30 years of hard work, virtually all tasks critical to companies' missions are now being accomplished with tools fueled by openness, accessibility, and collaboration. The spirit forged 3 decades ago has never faded. Today, the principles that built the internet and powered our devices are as valuable as ever. SUSE, a global leader in open source software and the only one to offer open interoperability with all its products, asked 250 executives what openness means to them and how collaboration continues to drive innovation. The results make it clear.
Collaboration leads to innovation. At SUSE, our technology powers multiple functions in virtually every industry on the planet, playing mission-critical roles everywhere, from financial services to healthcare, to electric cars, and even with space exploration. We believe at our core that diversity of thought and the contributions of people from different backgrounds, different worlds, different places are all crucial to problem solving. This is a pivotal moment for the open source movement. When 92% of executives tell us they've already implemented open source platforms or are planning to in the years to come, that means that we're onto something. We're sticking with it, and they're sticking with it because they all believe in it as a concept, as a philosophy, and it's because it works. When businesses tap into the collective experience inherent within open source software, they're finding that it leads to more innovation, increased productivity, as well as increased efficiency. Devices, as we all know, are playing a larger role in our lives with each passing year. So it's vital that the spirit of collaboration persists to harness the possibilities that these technologies present. It's encouraging to see that programmers around the world feel exactly the same way.
How companies approach the open source ethos varies considerably. Some executives polls said they seek inspiration from competitions, look to IP in licensing, or partner with universities. Many are bullish about open source innovations. This was true of both large companies and small ones. Across the board, companies said that adopting open innovation is a competitive advantage.
The research shows that a consensus has been formed. Embracing open innovation helps companies get ahead. We've always stayed true to our ethos as a company. Openness, accessibility, and collaboration are at the very heart of everything that we do. That's why SUSE is trusted by more than 60% of the Fortune Global 500 across all industries and all geographies. Close to 90% of financial services companies, and even over 90% of the world's largest automotive, aerospace, and retail firms across the globe operate using SUSE technologies. We believe, though, that this is just the very beginning. What we're hearing from our customers, our partners, and executives around the world in our survey is that open source technology will be even more vital in the years to come. We are very excited to see what the future holds. We found that clients from several industries are all coming to the same conclusion. Working collaboratively and harnessing open source technology is great for their sustainable growth.